Today, we are going to talk all the details on Walt Disney World's newest attraction, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Tiana's Bayou Adventure is the re-theme of Splash Mountain, a classic Magic Kingdom ride that has gone through a massive overhaul to get a brand new theme based off of the beloved Disney film, The Princess and the Frog. This brand new attraction officially opens to Disney guests on June 28th, so not too far off. We are almost there, as Tiana would say, but currently the ride is hosting preview events. Right now they have annual pass holder previews happening, and we had the opportunity to check this brand new attraction out. So we're going to take you through all the details of what we thought so far and let you know what you can expect. If you have ridden Splash Mountain in the past, the ride that was previously here, this new attraction has the identical ride track. They have not at all changed the actual ride system or the track. Everything with that is entirely the same. So there should be no surprises there. But what has changed is the theming. All of the scenes as you go throughout the ride and the storyline have completely changed to be based off of The Princess and the Frog. So let's start at the very beginning before you even get on the ride. As you approach the attraction, you will see this gorgeous view. I absolutely love how they have themed the outside facade of this attraction. They completely set the scene that you are in the Louisiana Bayou. Everything from the Spanish moss on the trees, the lily pads in the water. They even dye the water to make it look like a murky swamp. There are so many details to take in, and this area is just so photogenic. At night as well, this area just comes to life with the lighting package that they put on the attraction. Everything just lights up at night and sparkles. It is beautiful. So let's head into the actual queue line. For the outdoor portion of the queue, you feel like you are in a Louisiana courtyard. There are a lot of fun Easter eggs as well to discover, like these two stars together. This represents Ray and Evangeline from the movie, the two fireflies. So there's a lot of fun Easter eggs to look for when you're in the queue. Once you go to the interior of the queue, they set the scene that you're going into Tiana's restaurant. You're in the employee areas of the restaurant. You can see where the employees clock in, their time cards. In this first room, you can actually see a little Easter egg and nod to Splash Mountain. The figurines on the shelf, there is a bear, a fox, and a rabbit. It is said that these were put here to represent Brer Fox, Brer Bear, and Brer Rabbit. All classic characters from the previous attraction that was here, Splash Mountain. Once you head upstairs, you head into Tiana's kitchen. You can see the fresh beignets that have been set out. And something that I loved is that you can actually smell the beignets. It smells so incredible in this room. On the walls, you can see newspaper articles and personal family photos of Tiana's. The Imagineers did a great job of providing so many details that really set up the storyline. It should also be noted that the storyline of Tiana's Bayou Adventure takes place as a sequel after the movie. So the ride is not a retelling of The Princess and the Frog, rather it is a sequel of what happened after the film's conclusion. So Tiana is successfully running her restaurant at this point. She is married to Prince Naveen. We are in that timeline in this Disney story. And all of the little Easter eggs throughout kind of set up that story and that time frame for us. From here, you head down to the boats and actually get onto the ride. Right away, the adventure starts that you go into the bayou. Like I had said earlier, everything about the outside of this attraction is just so beautiful. I love all the flowers, the Spanish moss hanging in the trees. It really sets the scene. Once you go up that first lift hill, you are greeted by this incredible animatronic of Tiana, and she is telling us that she is hosting a party, and she's telling us that she's looking for musicians and a band to play at her party that she's hosting. And she also says that the best place to search for musicians would be going down to the bayou, and that's exactly where we then head. We are on this mission with Tiana and with Louis the alligator to find a band of musicians to play at Tiana's party. Personally, I have ridden this attraction twice now during previews, and I really love my second time through. I felt like I was able to pick up on so many additional details. We go down the first drop and we are officially in the bayou. We start to come across different critters playing instruments, and these are the musicians that Tiana wants to acquire for her party that she is hosting. The animatronics in this attraction are truly next level. The technology that they have used is incredible, and the animatronics look so lifelike. Their movements, facial expressions, everything. It is incredible to see. We go down yet another drop, and in this drop, Mama Odie puts a bit of a spell on us and turns us into the size of frogs. So when we go down this drop here, you'll notice that everything gets larger than life and bigger because we are supposed to be shrunken down to the size of frogs. This part in the attraction is very whimsical, and then once you get to the end of this section, you're getting ready to go up that big lift hill to do the final drop. You see Mama Odie appear once again, and this time she says that she's gonna make you big again. She puts a spell on us to turn us back into normal size and tells us that we'll make a big splash at the party, and we head up the lift hill. We see Mama Odie once again right there at the top, and you get that incredible view of Magic Kingdom Park. You can see the castle in the distance. It is truly incredible, and then you have that iconic splashdown moment. From there, we go around and head back inside. Here you are greeted by my personal favorite scene in the entire attraction. I love what they've done with this ending scene. This is Tiana's party. You'll see all of the critters that she has acquired are performing live, and she's singing along. It is such a well done scene. I wish they would even stop you longer right here to take in all of the details. This is such a wow moment in the attraction. Let us know if you are excited to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure in person. This ride is officially opening on June 28th, and we cannot wait for guests to be able to experience it. Be sure to follow 407 and Beyond Vacation Company for more Disney and travel news. We can't wait to share more about this attraction with you.